So a while back, I got really sick. I had or at least thought I had one of those, NDEs, near death type things. I felt that bad, anyways. Had a real strange experience in the emergency room. But not going to get into that right now. What I am going to get into is the theory of evolution and quantum physics. Now, so I'm just to get it straight. Let's just say something like the Big Bang Theory, where boom, there's this big explosion, and there's all this cosmic dust that forms into stars, and then there's all this matter that becomes planetary accretion disks, and then the accretion disk becomes a planet, and then and then we get solar systems and all that stuff, and then and then it takes millions and billions of years for plant life to develop, and then it takes millions and billions of years for animal life to develop. And then once we've taken billions of years, and we finally get the first person, and then they start going and doing their thing. And well, okay, all right, so now we're there. All right, now let's go to quantum physics, or at least this idea in quantum physics that's in pop culture about the quantum multiverse. So there's I go along, and I'm making decisions, right? And I take a right instead of a left, and then it causes this big to do in some other universe. And then there's all these other people who are doing the same thing, and they're walking around, and boom, 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 boom. All these universes are bridging off into one another, right? Why does it not take millions and billions of years for those universes to develop? I mean, I'm just saying, make it make sense. I mean, maybe I guess that's my dissertation on the theory of evolution and quantum physics. To be clear, I'm not trying to be insulting or anything, but the theory of evolution and the idea of the quantum multiverse, as they currently are, those two things cannot exist together, at least under the millions and billions of years and all that stuff. I mean, doesn't God and Jesus make a lot more sense? Now, this isn't to say that I don't believe in something else, because I can tell you, when I had that experience in the emergency room, I guarantee you there's something else. And I don't believe it's the quantum multiverse.